Hello students, welcome to Chapter 7, one of my favorite chapters in World Studies. We're starting to learn about the ancient Greeks, and if memory serves correctly, we have a whole nother chapter on the Greeks too, but this one is my favorite. It's a long one, you can see. We start with our intro day, and that's today. Your vocab will be on the next page. Then we have 7-1, 7-2, 7-3, and then I broke 7-4 into a part 1 and a part 2. And if memory serves, it's because, we learn about the Greco-Persian War in lesson 4, and I want to say I dedicate a whole lesson to that. So that's why I broke it in half. Tons of information, as it usually is with lesson 1. We start with sort of the geography of ancient Greece and why it ended up like that. Lesson 1 is interesting in that most people think of Greeks and they think of the city-states, and we'll get to that, but we really talk about sort of Greece before the city-states and why they ended up in city-states and how they got there. And the Dark Ages of Greece, which is something a lot of people don't know about. Basically, shortly after the Trojan War, look at the Trojan horse and all that jazz, there's just this very dark period of Greek history where they're so busy trying to stay alive they forget to write and forget how. It's pretty crazy. And then we end up with all kinds of good stuff. Lesson 2, I want to say more about the rise of Greece and the polises and their city-states and little politics, stuff like that. We talk about Athens and Sparta, two of the most famous city-states, and how they're so different. Sparta is a military society, and Athens is sort of this epitome of democracy. And then in 3, we talk a lot about Persia. It's actually like a mini lesson on Persia. And then, of course, we get into the Greco-Persian War, and that's very exciting. There's a lot of movies about that. It's very much a dramatized portion of history. Now we're going to learn what really happened. So that's pretty interesting stuff. We take a look real quick. There's our intro page. Yep. Here we are. You're watching this right now. Alright, so your vocab is going to be on the very next page. And then there'll be another video there going over all the vocab. And then it's just a basic quiz today. And then tomorrow we get into lesson 1. So it's an exciting chapter. I'm excited to teach it, and I hope that shows through in my lessons. All right, have a wonderful day.